Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is fried beans. Cook for 30 minutes and change the water. So this is after 30 minutes. I want to change the water and put fresh water. You are doing this to remove this color. So return the beans back, add salt and cook for another 20 minutes or until the beans is soft. This beans is quick to cook, so it's ready now. It's very soft now. Keep it aside and prepare our sauce. You slice your tomatoes. I use 3 tomatoes for this recipe. I'm going to write this recipe on the description box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And for my returning subscriber, thank you for your support. I love you all. You can also join my membership if you have not joined. So you keep this aside. Red bell pepper. I use 1 full red bell pepper. Very onions, red onions. You can use white onions. And also, if you think you don't have time to slice all this, if you have a chopper, you can use chopper and chop them roughly. Okay, it's still the same thing. It will still come out nice. So I use 2 pepper. This pepper is not too hot, but if you don't like the pepper, you can use black pepper or white pepper. Okay, because some people don't like pepper. So I use 1 cup of olive oil. You can make use of palm oil or normal groundnut oil. Stir fry your onions for a few minutes. But before that, allow the oil to heat up a little. Add fresh pepper. Add your tomatoes. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add seasoning powder. Add seasoning cube. On this recipe, I did not use more spice, but if you are that type that likes spice, this is the time for you to add those spice. Maybe you want to add curry, thyme, or turmeric or oregano. This is the right time to add that. Add red bell pepper. Add salt to taste. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes so that the spice can go in very well. Time to add our cooked beans. Combine very well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. We will be so happy to have you among us. So this is the outcome. You can do this for 1 to 2 minutes so that your spice can go into the cooked beans very well. It's ready. It is so healthy and delicious. Try this recipe and please don't forget to leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and you can also watch my other videos. I have a lot of good recipes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. It's so yummy and delicious. You have to try it. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.